Namaskar, welcome to Mohua's Kitchen.
Today's recipe is perfect restaurant style butter chicken. For this recipe, we need chicken pieces here. I have chicken pieces with bones. Butter chicken goes well with bones. I'm going to make some slits into my chicken pieces and I will wash it. I have made slits into all my chicken pieces. Now I will wash the chicken pieces. See, I have washed it and I will add the juice of one lime. This is the first marination. Add one lime juice here and a little bit of salt, and we will mix it together and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. While my chicken is marinating, let's make the second marination of our chicken. I have added here 1½ tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and hung card I have taken here around about 100 grams because I have taken around about 450 grams of chicken here, so I need 100 grams of hung card here, and mix it well. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder and mix it well. Now the twist comes here. If you want to make chicken like restaurant style butter chicken, so heat a pan. When smoke comes out, then add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. When the oil heats up and smoke comes out, switch off the gas and add Kashmiri red chili powder. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, stir, and then add 2 tablespoons of ground flour or besan. Mix it well. Remember, your gas is switched off at this moment, and mix it well. There should not be any lumps. And now add 1 more tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and again you mix it. And after mixing it well, just switch on the gas in a very slow flame for about 1 minute and stir continuously. After 1 minute, switch off the gas and take it out in a bowl. This we need half while marinating our second marination, the chicken, and half we need while we make the gravy. To get the perfect restaurant style butter chicken, you need to add this gram or besan the way I have made. Just apply that. And now after 20 minutes, my first marination is complete. I am squeezing out the excess water from the chicken and putting in my second marination. Mix it well and rest it for 2 hours in a cool place or in a freezer. Cover it while you store it. For the gravy, I am adding here around about 2 cups of water. Into this I am going to add 3 medium-sized tomato, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, some garlic, 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, ½ inch of ginger, some cashew nuts, and butter, some Kashmiri red chili powder, elaichi or cardamom, big and small both, some long or clove, and darchini or cinnamon, and will boil it. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can now join me on Facebook. The link is in the description box. Please do check. We will boil this in slow flame for about 5 to 7 minutes till my tomatoes and cashew nut is a little bit done or smashed. And see, I'm going to strain this and I'm going to cool it down. While the masala for gravy is cooling down, I'm taking here a pan and I will drizzle some oil to it. I have taken here a grill pan. Whatever pan or tawa you have, you can take. And after 2 hours, my chicken has also been marinated well. And now I'm going to add the chicken pieces into my tawa. Remember that this time your tawa should be very hot, and while it is hot, then only you will place this, and the flame should be in high. Now, but the meantime, my masala has been cooled down, and now I am taking a mixer jar, and into this I am adding my masala here, and I will make a paste out of this. And we need a very smooth paste. And moving on to my chicken. Yes, one side has been done. And now I'm going to flip the other side too. My chicken has been done from both the sides. Now I will take it out in a bowl. And to get the effect of tandoori chicken, the smoke is needed here. So I will burn a coal here. Those who don't have a coal, to get the smoky flavor, please do check the recipe of tandoori chicken. The link is in the I button and in the description box. Now I will cover it with a lid and rest it for a while. Now in another pan, I am going to take around about 3 tablespoons of butter, because it's a butter chicken and you need a lot of butter here. And I am adding 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 1 green chili chopped. And I'm going to stir it till the raw smell of ginger goes away. And now I'm going to strain with a strainer the masala which we have blended in our mixer. So that we are going to strain this masala. Remember, we need to strain this to get the smooth consistency, the smooth creamy texture of into our gravy. We need to strain it. The perfect butter chicken is this what you need. Now to get more color, I am adding some tomato ketchup. If you have a tomato puree, that goes well, and some more Kashmiri red chili powder, and little bit of salt to taste, and sugar. And now I'm going to mix them all and cover it till it boils. And when my gravy starts boiling, at that time I have added here chicken pieces, and I will cover it and cook it in slow flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my chicken has been done, and now I'm going to add kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi into it, some cream, fresh cream. This is needed. If you don't have, then you can skip. You can add the malai from the milk you get, and again butter, round about 1 tablespoon of butter, and mix it well and cover it. After 2-3 minutes, now this is the time to add the besan gravy which we had made earlier for our second marination, and I told you that we'll keep little bit for our gravy. So this is the time when I'm going to add this besan thing into my gravy and cover it for a while. And after 1 minute, my thing is done. Now I'm going to take it out and serve it. And my delicious restaurant style chicken butter masala is ready. Hope you like it. If you like, please do give a thumbs up to my video, and don't forget to share with your friends. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. And see the texture, see the smoothness of my chicken, and the chicken is very tender. See, and enjoy with roti, naan or paratha.